Run flat tires, how much should you really spend? Cheap ones look fine online, but the expensive ones promise safety and peace of mind. Thing is, price doesn't always mean performance, and not all run flats are built the same. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works when you're stranded with a flat. Product number 1, TICONN 10 Solid Tires. First up, the TICONN 10-inch solid tires. These aren't your typical pneumatic run flats, but they're built for zero downtime. At just $38.51 for a 2-pack, they're dirt cheap compared to high-end rubber tires, and honestly, that's what caught my eye. If you want a no-maintenance, flat-free solution for carts, dollies, or wheelbarrows, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These are made with a solid polyurethane foam layer over a rigid plastic core. That means zero air pressure checks, no risk of punctures, and they can handle rough terrain like gravel, grass, or cracked pavement without flinching. The double-sealed bearings reduce friction, so pushing a loaded cart feels smoother even on uneven ground. With over 900 sold in the past month, people are clearly using these for real work, not just decoration. Now some people might complain that these are real run-flat tires for cars, and they're right. These are for utility equipment, not your BMW. If you're looking to replace your vehicle's run flats, skip these. But if you've got a hand truck that's always going flat at the worst time, this is a game changer. This is perfect for you if you run a warehouse, garden frequently, or just hate stopping to fix a flat dolly tire. Skip this one if you need passenger vehicle performance. For under $40, it's an insane value for what it does. Product number 2, Pirelli Cinturato P7 225/45 R18. Now, if the TICONN's utility focus wasn't for you, let's shift to actual automotive run flats. The Pirelli Cinturato P7 all-season in 225/45 R18 is a solid OEM-style option, especially for BMW 3 and 4 Series drivers. It's not cheap. Pirelli doesn't do budget tires, but it delivers where it counts. Here's why this matters. This tire is engineered for balanced performance, dry grip, wet braking, and low rolling resistance. The Run Flat technology lets you drive up to 50 miles at 50 mph after a total loss of pressure, which means you can get home or to a shop without calling a tow. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. Plus, Pirelli's reputation in performance touring tires gives this model instant credibility. Now the flaw, no confirmed pricing or user reviews yet, which makes it hard to judge real-world value. Some drivers also say Pirelli run flats ride a bit stiffer than non-run flat versions, which can affect comfort on rough roads. Here's the thing though, if your car came with run flats, you're already used to that trade-off. It's not worse, just different. This is perfect for you if you drive a BMW or Mini and want OEM-level quality without dealership markup. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prioritize plush ride comfort over safety redundancy. It's premium priced, but you're paying for engineering you can trust. Product number 3, Pirelli P7 Run Flat 245/40 R18. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for daily drivers who want quiet and control. The Pirelli Cinturato P7 in 245/40 R18 takes everything good about the previous model and adds serious noise reduction. If you commute long distances and hate road drone, this version stands out. Here's why this matters. Pirelli's PNCS noise cancelling system uses optimized tread pitch and phasing to cancel out internal tire noise. That means a quieter cabin, especially on highways. Combined with robust tread elements and stiff compound design, you get sharp steering response and confident cornering, even in wet conditions. And yes, it's still a full run flat, 50 miles at 50 mph after a puncture. Now the downside. Wider section width, 245 means slightly higher rolling resistance, which could impact fuel economy by a small margin. Some users also note that run-flat sidewalls feel firmer over potholes. Here's the thing though, if your car supports this size, the handling benefits usually outweigh the minor comfort trade-off. It's not a flaw, just physics. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, responsive run-flat for sporty sedans or coupes. Skip this one if you're focused purely on max fuel efficiency or drive on extremely rough roads daily. You're getting top-tier engineering, so expect premium pricing, but it's justified. Product number 4, Pirelli Winter W210C3 Run Flat. Now, if you live where snow and ice are real threats, this next one is non-negotiable. The Pirelli Winter W210C3 Run Flat in 195/55 R16 is built for cold weather safety. It's not just a winter tire, it's a winter run flat, which is rare and incredibly valuable. Here's why this matters. Winter tires lose flexibility in cold temps, but Pirelli's compound stays grippy down to degrees F. The tread design channels slush and bites into ice, giving you shorter stopping distances when it matters most. And yes, even with a flat, you can still drive 50 miles to safety. That's huge if you're caught in a snowstorm far from help. Now the flaw, limited size availability and no recent reviews make it hard to confirm long-term durability. Also, winter run flats are heavier, which can slightly reduce acceleration and increase fuel use. Here's the thing though, when roads are slick, safety outweighs minor efficiency losses. This isn't a tire you buy for speed, you buy it to get home alive. This is perfect for you if you face real winter conditions and your car requires run flats. Skip this one if you live in mild climates or don't need seasonal tires. It's a niche product, but for the right driver, it's essential. Product number 5, Pirelli P7 All-Season 225/50 R18. Finally, the Pirelli Cinturato P7 in 225/50 R18. This one's a sleeper hit for SUVs and taller sedans. Made in Germany, it combines all-season versatility with run-flat toughness. If you want a balanced tire that handles rain, light snow, and daily commutes without drama, this is a top pick. Load capacity is solid at 1,521 pounds, so it handles heavier vehicles with ease. The tread compound resists wear, meaning longer life, and the run flat tech still gives you that 50-mile safety buffer. It's not flashy, but it's reliable. Now the downside. Again, no public pricing or user feedback yet, so real-world value is unclear. Some drivers also say Pirelli's all-season tires aren't as aggressive in deep snow as dedicated winter tires. Here's the thing though, for most people, all-season means 90% of conditions covered. Unless you're in Alaska, this is more than enough. This is perfect for you if you drive a midsize SUV or wagon and want dependable, safe performance year-round. Skip this one if you need extreme winter grip or track-level handling. It's a workhorse, quiet, durable, and smartly engineered. So which run flat tire wins? For utility gear, the TICONN solids are unbeatable. For daily drivers, the Pirelli P7 variants offer proven performance. Just pick the size that fits your car. Need winter safety? The W210C3 is built for it. No single tire does everything, but one of these will keep you rolling even when the road doesn't. Stay safe out there.